How to change music on Instagram post. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily change your music on Instagram post. So let's get started. First thing, just open up your Instagram application and make sure you're currently logged into your account. And once inside here, now just head over to any of the posts that you'd like to change the music from. So in this case, I'll simply head over to this post over here. So as you can see, I've already added some song over here. So let's say I want to change it. So to do that, just tap on this three dot icon at the top, and once you open this, you should see the option that is edit. So simply select it, and you can see, so in some case you might see the option to actually edit your music from over here. So as you can see, currently it's not showing, maybe it's not available in my region, or the new update has removed that feature. So the next thing, or alternatively what you can actually do, is just take a screenshot of this particular post, or if you have already this post inside your gallery, just make sure you save it. And now you just have to repost this particular post using different song on your Instagram. So let me quickly do that and show to you. So simply tap on this plus button over here at the bottom, and I'll simply choose this post over here by simply zooming in onto its particular detail, just like this, and simply click on this audio button and choose any of the songs that you like to choose, and simply click on next, and just like that you should be successfully able to upload the particular post with a different song each time. So that is the only way you do it for now. So if there's any update regarding direct changing of the song in the post from the Instagram team, we just have to wait patiently. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.